Hi, my name is Gunnar Soderlind, and today I'm going to teach you a little bit about Adobe Photoshop CS5 and a great new feature that they've added with this release. I've been an instructor of Adobe Photoshop for much of the last 5 years in a classroom setting, and I've also been teaching it in a mentoring role for the last 20. Today we're going to talk about this new feature. It's called Content Aware Fill. This is a great feature, and oftentimes as a Photoshop user you're having to add things to a picture or remove things from a picture, and typically we use cloning for that or any number of other tools to accomplish that in Photoshop. Well, now, as you'll see in this demonstration, Photoshop has a new feature called Content Aware Fill that lets you completely replace an object and it's aware of the content surrounding it. So for example, in this image I've got a picture of a person standing, he's outstanding in his field, and we're going to remove him, and Photoshop will automatically sense the content behind and then fill him in. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select the subject that I want to remove. Actually, first I'm going to do a Control-J and create a new layer. That will allow me to show you the before and after image. So now from my toolbar selection, I'm going to use the Quick Selection tool, and now I'm just going to quickly surround my subject with about 10 to 20% excess fill, because that way I know just from using the tool that it's going to properly replace him and completely fill in the background for me. So I've got my subject selected. Now from the toolbar I'm going to select the Edit drop down, I'm going to select Fill, and this is the new feature. It says Content Aware. All I have to do is click OK and sit back and watch Adobe Photoshop do its magic. After a few seconds it's going to render my subject completely gone from the image, and yet has properly filled in exactly perfectly the fill, replacing my foreground subject. Now you can do this if you've got a subject against a wall, or if you've got an extra person and there's fill behind, you can use it there. There's just a tremendous number of occasions that you can use this new feature. Let me bring up the before so we can see there's my original character. Then I'm going to show the after, and you can see it's perfectly filled in. It even sensed the mowing direction of the grass, and I literally have nothing else I need to do to put this image into production. Again, my name is Gunnar Soderlind. This was Adobe Photoshop CS5 showing you some of the great new features. Thanks very much.